All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for your watch list report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist. Hopefully, you're enjoying your weekend. I'm going to try to not take up too much of your time. We're just going to go over these charts here briefly and see how the markets ended the week and what we can expect for the start of the new week. First chart we have before us is Theta. Theta still has the bearish trend momentum reading. It's still in a corrective state. Therefore, we're expecting for the market to continue to push lower and take out this support here. That's right where the market is headed right now, to test and take out this support. So we expect lower prices for the start of the week for Theta. Meanwhile, we have ZEC or Zcash is still in a locked-in bear market trend, bearish trend momentum reading. We expect lower prices. Next, we have XRP Ripple, bearish trend momentum reading, and you're still below the Kumo cloud, and we're expecting for the sideways to lower prices to continue. You got a key support level right back here, so chances are the market's just going to trade within the current range. Next, we have silver. So silver did rally again on Friday. So you can see that right here, right? Now, it went shy of hitting $29 an ounce. Still has a bearish trend momentum reading that's been on pause for now because we still have the bullish algo shift. So we're expecting for prices to continue to push higher until either the bullish algo shift drops off or we get a bullish trend momentum reading. Right now, we still have a bearish trend momentum reading. So the market has ceased going down for now and is attempting to rally. You can make an argument that the trend is trying to reclaim the price action. We did have a negative bot check right here too. So that too is rather concerning because we have not seen the down leg yet. So if the bearish trend momentum reading does not turn bullish, and if the bullish algo shift were to stop, were to drop off, let's say tomorrow, then this negative bot check will kick in because you're still being to sell the rally mode. And when the price action drops, even if it goes up to here, it's coming down and it's going to take out this support and keep going. All right. So keep that in the back of your mind. All right. So silver's still not out the woods yet. We need a bullish trend momentum reading and or for the bullish algo shift to stay active. Okay. So we expect higher prices to start the week off. All right, now, Dow Futures still has the bullish algo shift with a bearish trend momentum reading. So you're still in the sell the rally mode, but that has been paused because of the bullish algo shift. So the market is continually attempting to push higher and get back above the Kumo cloud and try to make a run back to the 40K. So we have a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading, which means that you're sell the rally mode, but because of the bullish algo shift, that means that the trend here is trying to reclaim the price action. We'll see if the market can be successful with that. Next, we have the NASDAQ 100. Now, not as strong looking as the Dow. You still got the bearish trend momentum reading, and you had a negative bot check here with no downside production yet. So will the bearish trend momentum reading prove to be a bit much, and will the NASDAQ crack under this pressure? Or is the trend trying to reclaim the price action and get back above the Kumo cloud and turn the bearish trend momentum reading back to a bullish one? That is what we're looking to see here. So you could still go either way to start the week off on your stock indices. Next, we have gold. So gold did pop as well on Friday, gave you a little bit of a rally here. We still got this negative bot check to contend with, but with the bullish algo shift behind the backdrop of the bearish trend momentum reading, we expect prices to continue to try to push higher unless we get this bearish trend momentum reading turns green. and or the algo shift falls off. So whatever comes first, we'll see. But you're still not out of the woods yet. The market could still go either way. Next, we have the S&P 500 also pushing higher on Friday. The bullish algo shift still intact, trying to reclaim the price action. The long-term trend is, but you still got the bearish trend momentum reading. So likewise, this one could still move either way as well. We'll see how the market wants to start the week off. But with the bullish algo shifts in the U.S. stock indices, we're expecting the markets to attempt to push higher. So crude oil gave you a rally alert on Thursday and then gave you a little bit of upside production on Friday and ending with another rally alert for Sunday night into Monday's trading. The market will try to make it back up here toward that $83 resistance zone. We'll see how close it can get. Next, we have the euro. The euro is still in a locked-in bear market with the bearish trend momentum reading. The bullish algo shift has been kind of keeping the prices propped up momentarily, but nonetheless, we expect lower prices because you're still in a bear market that's locked in. So that you're in a sell the rally mode there. Sell the rally mode is activated in the pound sterling as well. Had a crash alert coming into Friday's trading. You got no downside production. But we still expect the price action to head lower to start the week off. Next is the Aussie. The Aussie still has a bearish algo shift as well that's keeping all intraday rallies muted at this point. To start the week off, though, however, we do expect for there to continue to be a battle between the bulls and the bears. Right now, the bulls, believe it or not, are winning because the price action is still above the Kumo cloud. If that were to change, then that would give the odds back to the bears, which means that the bearish algo shift would be winning out. And then you run a high risk of this turning red and this becoming a bearish trend momentum reading and locking in on a bear market. All right. So you're to do or die phase now for your Aussie. Because look, first time you came up here, second time you came up here, third time you came up here. Now this is the fourth time, but each time it ends with a big crash. All right. So we'll see what happens this time. But to start the week off, I am expecting sideways to lower prices for your Aussie. Next, we have the Russell My Hustle. It's still deep in the cloud. You got that negative bot check with no downside production. Bullish algo shift still activated under the auspices of a bearish trend momentum reading, which means you're in sell the rally mode. But with the bullish algo shift, it means that the trend is trying to reclaim the price action. We'll see how successful it is with that. Right now, though, the risk is red hot that we're going to see one of these come into play here. All right. You're at a red alert phase. The last time you came up here, the market did correct before giving you this. So now the next thing will be for the market to come down here and continue to fall. Even if it tried to complete this pattern on that side, it still will end in a big nasty drop. So yeah, not looking so hot there. On Ethereum futures, we still have the bullish trend momentum reading, even though you're still in a corrective phase, and you have a bearish algo shift, which is keeping a lid on price rallies, and also the bottom of the Kumo cloud acting as a key resistance zone. So this support now is in jeopardy of being taken out, even with the bullish trend momentum reading because of the bearish algo shifts. So we're expecting lower prices to start the week off here. Bitcoin futures has a bearish trend momentum reading, but something happened very interesting today. The market's acting like it wants to give you a bullish algo shift, which means that we expect the price action to try to push higher for Sunday night into Monday. And you have this very wide Kumo cloud here for the market to oscillate and have volatility in. And we're not seeing that the trend is trying to reclaim the price action yet. As long as you're in this wide Kumo cloud of consolidation, I don't see price action really going anywhere yet. All right, next we have the US dollar index, and you still are in a locked-in bull market with a bullish trend momentum reading. I'm expecting sideways to higher prices to continue to work their way in this market. All right, folks, so nothing has changed for me. My open positions are still my open positions that I carried over into the weekend. And not only that, but my stock indices did not get triggered, so I carried those over as well. So at this point, no change, nothing to see here. I'm anticipating that, like I said, the stock indices will continue to try to push higher. That's what I'm seeing right now. If that changes, then I will alert you. But for right now, that's what we got going on. So it looks like the long side of the market for now is still the place to be. Still the place to be. So we'll see. We'll see what happens on that. All right. So with that being said, remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And on that note, I'm out. Peace.